Hey, did you know that native speakers can identify your English level in about 3 seconds? Not from your accent, but from one specific mistake. Today, we're hunting down 4 sneaky errors that intermediate learners make all the time. And here's the thing, you've probably made at least 2 of them today. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll sound noticeably more natural. Let's go. Alright, here's the first one. A student walks into class and says, "I am very boring today." Immediately, the teacher thinks, wait, is this student boring? Or are they bored? Here's why this matters. I am boring means you are dull and uninteresting. Like a textbook about watching paint dry. I am bored means you feel uninterested right now. The same rule applies too. This lesson is confusing versus I am confused. The ed ending describes your feeling. The ing ending describes the thing. So say, this homework is frustrating. And I'm frustrated. See the difference? This one is everywhere. Students say, I am interested in learning Spanish. But interesting is an adjective that describes something. That captures attention. You can't be interesting in something. You're interested in something. Here's the weird part. English has a rule. Certain adjectives always need prepositions. Interested in, married to, tired of, excited about, afraid of. These aren't random. They're fixed combinations you need to memorize like vocabulary. Quick tip. Save these combinations in your notes under adjective plus preposition combinations. Your brain will thank you later. Here's the sneaky one. You're texting a friend. I will tell you when I will arrive. Sounds logical, right? Wrong. In English, we don't use 2 future tenses in the same sentence. The rule, when you have a main clause with will, the time clause uses present tense. So it's, I will tell you when I arrive. Not when I will arrive. Same with, I will start dinner as soon as everyone gets home, or, call me when you finish work. Fun fact. This rule is so strong that even native speakers feel uncomfortable hearing the double future. Even if they can't explain why. You'll sound more educated just by fixing this one thing. This seems small, but it's very common among intermediate learners. You say, I am agree or I am disagree. But here's the thing. Agree and disagree are action verbs. They don't take to be. You don't say the action. You do it. Compare. You can say, I am happy, because happy is a state you're in. But you cannot say, I am understand, or, I am know, or, I am believe. These are actions. The mistake happens because your native language might structure these differently. In many languages, you'd say, I am agree. But in English, it's just, I agree, I disagree, I understand, I know, am. The same trap effects. I am realize, I am suspect, I am notice. Just remove the am. Alright, here's your mission. Go back through your last 5 messages or emails in English. Can you find any of these 4 mistakes? Screenshot them, correct them, and leave a comment below. Seriously, this is how you cement these rules into your brain. Plus, we'll feature the best ones in next week's video. And if you found even one of these mistakes in your own writing, you just leveled up your awareness. That's half the battle. Drop a comment. Which mistake surprised you the most? See you next week with more sneaky English traps.